When our customer needed a solution for bulky electronic waste, we built one that delivers. From PC boards and smartphones to TVs and industrial components, no two items are the same. So we engineered a shredder tough enough to handle it all. Even heat sinks, bolts, and reinforced materials. With heavy-duty motors pushing 1,100 Newton meters of torque, hardened shafts, and replaceable Hardox blades, we turn waste into manageable material, saving space, cutting transport costs, and driving efficiency. Like, follow, and share so you don't miss out on this epic journey. And remember, we're here to create powerful solutions for your next project.